Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. One Hadith, one story. Today's story title is The Anger. Jaazib was a very strong child. He could lift a stool straight up from the ground with only one hand. Nobody could beat him at school in wrestling. He mostly wrestled against his friend Zakriya. One day, Zakriya and Jaazib wrestled in the schoolyard again. Zakriya lost. He was so angry that he went into the classroom and scribbled all over Jaazib's books. This made Jaazib very angry. He jumped on Zakriya and punched him on the nose. Zakriya's nose started to bleed, and the blood got all over his clothes and on the classroom floor. The classmates all felt bad. When they saw what had happened, the teacher scolded Jaazib and told him the following hadith of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that a strong person is not the one who beats his rivals in wrestling, but a strong person is the one who controls his anger. Friends, always remember this hadith and try to control your anger as much as possible. Jazakallah for watching. I hope you like the story. Allah Hafiz.